New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres urging lawmakers to amend the red flag law.
People support red flag laws. I'm a gun owner. I know the sheriff is a gun owner.
Under the current red flag law, officers and prosecutors can petition the courts to have someone's gun seized if deemed, quote, a credible threat to themselves or others.
If we can focus on educating folks and clarifying what the law permits and allows, that hopefully we will be able to use this in a way that's responsible.
Torres telling us loopholes found within the law are to blame.
We are here today to talk about 3 specific proposals that we would like members of the legislature and the governor to consider.
Those proposals include immediate surrender and search authority, clarification of a reporting party, identity protection, and aligning laws to trigger referrals to law enforcement.
The larger perspective for everyone to take is that we have an existing framework that balances the Second Amendment rights, but also recognizing that we have important tools to remove weapons from the hands of people who are dangerous.
Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham signing the controversial legislation into law in 2020.
USA!
There's confusion for law enforcement.
BCSO Sheriff John Allen telling KOAT he's made an effort to file more petitions since he took office in January.
We want to make sure the tool is being utilized correctly with someone with domestic violence, someone that shouldn't have a firearm, someone with behavioral health issues, and we're doing everything we can do to prevent a death.
Statewide training now in effect for law enforcement agencies.
But it also serves to field questions that they have because they've obviously been engaged with people who are suffering from mental health issues or talking to family members who are concerned about a loved one.